Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. I'm back. Okay. And I'm going to be doing a spring inspired makeup look today, so stay tuned. Okay, so the first palette that I'm using is the Carly by Belle palette. But before we do anything, I'm going to be using my eyeshadow primer just to get all those colors in there. So the first color that I'm using is a burnt orange color from the Carly by Belle palette, and I wet my brush a little bit just so the colors could be more pigmented, and I'm going to be using that color as my base color. The next palette that I'll be using is the Take Me Back to Brazil palettes from BH Cosmetics. Let me tell you guys, this palette is very pigmented and it's very inexpensive, so you guys could like literally get it and you could like use discount codes just to get like that palette, but it's so good. But I'm gonna be using a light pink color for my second color, and I'll just lightly apply that to my eyelid. And what I was trying to say is that I applied some light pink glitter to the inner corner of my eye off camera. And next I'll just be applying my foundation, and this foundation is from e.l.f. and stop. And the color is almond, if anybody wanted to know. And why are you even talking? So after foundation, I'll simply be applying my Mary Kay concealer in light beige. Next, I'll be adding some translucent powder from e.l.f. under my eyes just to bake. If you don't know what that means, it's just like to like set your makeup in place basically. So I'm trying to just set the concealer. And another great tip for baking is using a damp beauty blender, because that like really sets it. And then you just gotta wait like 5-10 minutes or something, and then you go and do whatever you want. So I don't know what the hell I'm saying, guys, but I'm just gonna go on to the next thing. So what I'm doing now is just taking my e.l.f. deep brown brow pencil, and I'm just filling in my eyebrows and also using my spoolie to brush out the hairs. So it's been 5 minutes since the baking powder set. Now I'm just wiping all of that baking powder off. Now I'm going to be doing my contour, and the palette that, oh my god, no, I just ruined my palette. Whatever, but the palette that I'm using is called City Color Contour Effects. This is from Five Below because I'm cheap AF, guys, but it's actually really good though. It like really doesn't even matter the price, but it's good. Now you know damn well this is everybody's favorite part. I'm going to be adding some highlight to my cheekbones, and I'm going to be using my e.l.f. highlight in color Moonlight Pearls. And let me tell you, this highlight is so awesome. Like, I love it so much. So now we cannot forget lashes. So I'm just curling my eyelashes with my e.l.f. lash curler. And then I'll be going in with my Mary Kay Ultimate Mascara color black. And when I apply my mascara, I like to do a pushing up method just so the lashes could really like stick together and curl up to give you that more like, you know, full lash look. Now for lips, I just outlined the sides of my lips with a burgundy lip liner, and then I'm just filling my whole lip with a light pink nude color. Interrupt. Yeah, that's my sister. Bye. Well, this is the final makeup look. I hope you guys enjoyed it. It's a very simple makeup tutorial, so I know you guys can get it down. And yeah, this concludes today's video. I hope you like it. Please give it a like. Ew, I can't even talk, ma. It's anyways, I'll just continue it. And subscribe down below and comment down below what you want to see next. And yeah, I'll see you in the next video, guys. Bye.